Hi everyone, my name is FutureiAI. Today we are starting our first training course. We will learn how to use our training platform. To start using the AI platform, first open a web browser and enter the server's address. If you are operating on your local machine, you can directly enter 1270.0.1 and then open the platform's homepage. Next, you can use an existing account to log in or register a new account here. Please note that if you are accessing within a local network and have enabled a proxy, it may affect access. Therefore, please use it with the proxy turned off. At the top right corner of the web page, you can switch between languages as needed. After logging in, you can see all the projects for this account. Now let's create a new project. For this demonstration, we will train an algorithm model for fire detection. So enter fire detection and select the type as object detection. Fill in the remarks as needed. Finally, click Create Project and the project is created. Now we are on the dataset management page of the newly created project. Next, we need to import the dataset. For the sake of demonstration, I have prepared the dataset file in advance. More detailed functions regarding datasets, including dataset creation, format conversion, and annotation, will be explained in a separate video. To train a model, we need two datasets. The first one is the training dataset, which provides the data required for training and needs to be annotated. The quality of annotation and image quality will directly affect the final model results. Typically, to obtain reasonable performance, the number of training images should not be less than 1,000. The second one is the testing dataset, which is used to evaluate the final learning effect. Images in the testing dataset will not affect the trained model. Similarly, images also need to be annotated and the number and quality should be determined based on the actual application scenario. At this point, we will choose the local file import method. By clicking here, you can view the file structure of the compressed package. I have prepared compressed packages for both datasets in advance. Simply click the Upload File button, wait for the file to upload, and then click the Add to Import List button. Finally, click the Add button in the top right corner and the import progress will be displayed. While waiting for the import to finish, we can add another compressed package. Then wait for both compressed packages to complete their import progress. Once that's done, the datasets have been successfully imported. Now we will start training the model. Click the Model Training button on the left and then select the Algorithm Image Training Dataset and Testing Dataset in sequence. The label is the content that you need the model to train on. Here we select the default fire and smoke labels, but you can also choose to on the fire or only smoke based on the specific application scenario. Set the GPU count to 1 and leave the hyperparameters unchanged for now. Click the Train button and the training process will begin. The training dataset contains over 8,000 images and training for 100 rounds is expected to take approximately 4 hours. The progress will be displayed in real time on the page, and you can click here to view the training status. There will be a dedicated video explaining the use of hyperparameters and TensorBoard. So we won't go into detail here. Let's skip ahead to the results of training using the same dataset before. Here is the trained model. You can choose to validate or infer running model inference on the server platform. However, typically we will deploy this model to a mobile phone or edge computing box. Therefore, click here to download the model to your local machine and rename it as FutureiAI for easy identification of its functionality. Then you can download the model to your mobile phone through applications such as WeChat or online storage services. Next, we will verify this model using a mobile phone. The mobile phone has already installed a demonstration app, and the source code of this app will be open-sourced so that users can customize their own mobile apps to use this model. Use the demonstration app. To browse the downloaded fire.tar.gz, load the model and directly capture images with flames or smoke using the mobile camera. You should see a target detection box appear, indicating that the model is working properly. Similarly, we will provide a one-click upload feature to upload the model to edge boxes in the future, deploying the algorithm directly to edge boxes to perform target detection on incoming video streams. This concludes today's lesson. It's quite simple, isn't it? I hope that through this class, you have learned how to train a model.